Hey everybody, this is Mr. E, and this is vent number 4. Red light cameras coming to Jacksonville. Alright, so Jacksonville's gonna get red light cameras coming in January. In January, huh? Well, what are the cameras doing that's already on the red lights? Why are there cameras all over the red lights already? They're all over Jacksonville, they're all over here in St. Augustine, and everybody thinks they're for when you run a red light. Well, look at the cameras. Why are they pointed at the driver? Like the ones here in St. Augustine, every single one of them is pointed at the driver. There's 2 or 3 different kinds of cameras on each intersection. And those are not even the red light cameras? Red light cameras? Those are not even the red light cameras. Red light camera. Then what are they? That's what you gotta ask yourself. If those cameras are pointed at the driver and not trying to catch people running red lights, what are they for? They're to watch you. They're to spy on you. You pay for that with your tax money. They take your tax money and buy surveillance equipment to watch you drive down the street. And then they say it's for people running red lights. In Jacksonville, when they get their cameras in January, they're saying that it will generate $1.5 million in revenue. So it's just more revenue generation. Like they really should take protect and serve off of the cars and put revenue generation department. Generate revenue. What are all these cameras for? Because it's already out of control. You might be thinking, what can we do? We can't do nothing about it. They're gonna put them up no matter what we do. Hey, in Arizona, they got them taken down because some people protested. People would hold up signs warning them. Generate revenue. I'll post some links to those videos. $1.5 million in revenue. Like, I didn't know it was their job just to make money for the city. It's just all about money. And really, that's robbery. That's taking your money. And what good do these red light cameras do, really, other than generate revenue? Sometimes you get caught in a red light and there's nothing you can do. You know, when you're driving up and the light's been kind of green for a while and you're going too fast really to stop by the time it turns yellow unless you slam your brakes on. Everybody's done that. Everybody listening to this has ran a red light. And it might not have been on purpose. I'm not saying you did it on purpose. Sometimes you almost make it. See, these cameras are going to take that picture. They take the picture as guilt instead of as an evidence to stack a case against you. $1.5 million in revenue generation. Coming in January to Jacksonville, Florida. What are they looking at? All right, I'm going to post a few links in the bottom, a few articles about cameras in other cities, about the ones coming to Jacksonville. And also I'm going to post some links to one of my favorite YouTube channels, 4409, and show you how they got theirs taken down in Arizona. All right, I'm going to end this video with a video from that Anonymous on how to beat some of these cameras. This vent has been brought to you by Mr. E. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe tabs.
Greetings, citizens of the United States. Many of you have heard the recent stories about TrackWire. Constant video surveillance is an issue we presently face. However, there are a number of ways that you can combat this surveillance. Wearing a mask is a common way to keep your identity hidden. However, a mask does not protect against biometric authentication. In addition, this can also cause problems depending where you want to go. Another way to avoid facial recognition is to tilt your head more than 15 degrees to the side. Due to limits in their programming, they will not be able to detect that a face is present, though there are very obvious cons to doing this. Using a similar method, you can distort your face through elaborate makeup. This method also takes advantage of software limits as the computer will not be able to detect a face. But these are tiresome ways that tend to draw attention to yourself. Surely there are better solutions to avoid being added to a database. Did you know that a laser pointer can disable surveillance cameras? A tripod and a scope will help ensure it remains pointed at the camera. But we do have one last way to combat this surveillance. This method requires a little bit of work though. With nothing more than a hat, some infrared LEDs, some wiring, and a 9-volt battery, you can create a device to render yourself invisible. It guarantees complete anonymity to cameras while appearing perfectly normal to the rest of the world. While the government may be hell-bent on watching us at every moment of every day, we are not helpless. There are always ways of fighting back. Let's remind them that 1984 was not an instruction manual. We are anonymous. We are legion. We do not forgive. We do not forget. Expect us.